Ordering food online.
Hello, I would like to order food online.
Hello, I can help you with your order.
Thank you. Can I see the menu, please?
Yes, I will send you the menu link now.
I see it now. There are many options.
Yes, we have rice, noodles, and fast food.
I would like fried rice with chicken.
Sure. Do you want a small or large size?
I want a large size, please.
Okay. Do you want anything to drink?
Yes, I want 1 orange juice.
Noted. Would you like to add a dessert?
What desserts do you have?
We have cake, ice cream, and fruit salad.
I would like 1 chocolate cake.
Great choice. Anything else for your order?
No, that is all for now.
Can you please tell me your address?
Yes, my address is 25 Green Street.
Thank you. What is your phone number?
My phone number is 09123-45678.
Okay, I have your details now.
How long will it take to deliver?
It will take about 30 minutes.
That sounds good.
Your total cost is $10.
Can I pay by cash on delivery?
Yes, you can pay when the food arrives.
That is perfect for me.
Your order is confirmed now.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
Can you repeat my order, please?
Yes, you ordered fried rice, orange juice, and cake.
Yes, that is correct.
Our driver will call you when he arrives.
Okay, I will wait for the call.
Please keep your phone near you.
Sure, I will do that.
Thank you for ordering with us today.
I am excited to eat the food.
We hope you enjoy your meal.
I will order again next time.
We look forward to your next order.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank you again for your service.
It is our pleasure to serve you.
Talking to a flight attendant.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Of course, sir. How can I help you?
I cannot find my seat.
No problem. Can I see your boarding pass?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Your seat is 14A by the window.
Oh, I see it now. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Do you need help with your bag?
Yes, this bag is a little heavy.
Let me help you put it in the overhead bin.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
It is my pleasure to help you.
Excuse me, can I ask another question?
Yes, please go ahead.
When will the plane take off?
The plane will take off in about 20 minutes.
That is good to know.
Please fasten your seatbelt now.
Okay, I will do it now.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Excuse me, can I have some water?
Yes, I will bring you a glass of water.
Thank you very much.
Here is your water. Please enjoy it.
Can I also have something to eat?
Yes, we have chicken or pasta.
I would like the chicken meal, please.
Sure, I will bring it to you soon.
Thank you for your service.
You are welcome.
Excuse me, the seatbelt sign is on. Why?
We are passing through some light turbulence.
I see. Is it safe?
Yes, it is safe. Please stay seated.
Okay, I will stay on my seat.
Thank you for understanding.
Excuse me, where is the restroom?
It is at the back of the plane.
Thank you. Can I go now?
Please wait until the seatbelt sign is off.
Okay, I will wait.
Thank you for your patience.
The flight is very comfortable.
I am happy to hear that.
Thank you for your kind service today.
You are most welcome.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye and enjoy your trip.
Lost luggage at the airport.
Excuse me, I cannot find my luggage.
I am sorry to hear that. When did you arrive?
I arrived about 30 minutes ago.
Which flight did you come on today?
I came on flight BA204 from Bangkok.
Did you wait at the baggage claim area?
Yes, I waited there for a long time.
I understand. What does your luggage look like?
It is a large black suitcase with a red tag.
Do you remember the brand of the suitcase?
Yes, the brand name is Sky Travel.
Okay, that information is very helpful for us.
I also have a blue sticker on the handle.
That will make it easier to find.
I'm very worried because my clothes are inside.
Please do not worry. We will check the system.
Thank you for helping me today.
You are very welcome. Can I see your baggage ticket?
Yes, here it is in my passport.
Thank you. I will enter the number now.
Do you think my luggage is still at the airport?
It is possible. Sometimes luggage arrives late.
I hope it is not lost forever.
Most luggage is found within 1 or 2 days.
That makes me feel a little better.
I found some information in the computer system.
Really? What does it say?
Your luggage is still in Bangkok right now.
Oh, I see. When will it arrive here?
It should arrive on the next flight tonight.
That is good news for me.
Yes, we will deliver it to your hotel tomorrow.
Thank you very much for your service.
Can you give me your hotel address, please?
Yes, I am staying at Central City Hotel.
Great. Can I also have your phone number?
Sure, my number is 098-675-4321.
Thank you. We will contact you after it arrives.
Should I come back to the airport tomorrow?
No, our staff will bring it to your hotel.
That sounds very convenient for me.
We want to make the process easy for passengers.
I appreciate your kindness and support today.
It is my pleasure to help you.
I was very stressed before I came here.
I understand, but everything should be okay now.
Thank you again for your help today.
You are very welcome. Have a safe trip.
I will. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day too.